Going on, guys? This is Cameron Seaver here. I'm out at the awesome fishing spot right here. The water's actually looking really dark for some reason, just like really stained. I don't know, but hopefully we'll be able to catch some good fish. Starting out with this Gambler Big Easy right here, a weighted swim bait hook. I'm thinking this is going to be a magic ticket. Never used this here before, but so let's find out. Pond's gotten pretty weedy and high water too. It's really flooded. There's one. Oh, it came off. Had one. Man, hope you guys saw that. That flash in the water right there. That was my first bite, only a couple casts in. Right by an island. My aim was kind of off right there. But let's see if I'll still get one. Ah, missed him. I think I'm missing fish with this or something. I think this is a bad hook. I'm gonna change up and maybe to another lure or something. I don't know. I think I've been missing a lot of fish on this lately, so I'm just gonna change this up. Alright guys, I wanted to get some topwater action, so I changed this little like top toad or something, whatever you call these. I forgot. And I wish I had braid on, but my rod that had braid snapped, so that's not very good. So we're just gonna have to work with monofilament for now. Hopefully we can get an awesome blow up on camera. Oh, got one. Yeah, it's coming at me. It's a whale. Alright, first fish so far. A decent little one right here. Ah! Spazzing out, but it ate the frog. Nice bass right here. Good to finally know that they're biting. What was that? Oh, check this out. Maybe that's what I heard. Look at this guy. Oh no, he's being eaten alive. Ew. You got one? Okay. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm gonna put him in there. He was being eaten alive. She's got one over there. He was being eaten alive by ants. I'm gonna go back to him real fast. I gotta go. This turtle has like, something must have got him right there because he's got a wound and ants and like grubs are getting in him. So I tried to get him off in the water, but no. He might be able to survive it, though. That's kind of gross. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You see that? Something was following it in. Wow. That was like a behemoth. Oh, get off. That was like a behemoth of the deep. Come on, come back for it, buddy. That was cool. I totally didn't see. Oh, there he is. Right there. Got him. No, different. Alright, a really black bass right here. Very dark. But that was sweet. Ate it right there. That was really cool. Hopefully we can get some more awesome topwater bites like that. Alright, I changed to a Senko. And we're casting out. See what we can do with this. There's one. Oh, that is a good fish. That is a good one. Oh, wow. That's got to be a big one. Yeah, this is a big one, I think. Unless it was just in the grass a lot. Oh, wow, this is a big one. Yeah. Did you guys see that jump? No, there's a log over here. Do not go near that. This thing is just pulling. This is a giant. This thing is huge. Wow. You guys hear that? It's peel and drag. Loosening that a little bit. This thing's just dogging. Wow, this is big. I am, it's huge. No, it's just tired and stuck in the weeds. Come on. Come here. Whoa, that's a giant, huge bass. Biggin', guys. Giant. That thing's huge. That might be one of the biggest bass I caught out of here. Humongous.
Weigh it.
Is it? Yeah, I'm gonna weigh it. It's a dinosaur, guys. Look at that. Huge mouth. Really fat. Look how wide it is. On the Senko too, only a couple casts in. Monster. Alright, I'm gonna get some measurements on this in a second. There's a true giant bass right there. Huge. There's a real giant, guys. But the scale wasn't working, unfortunately. So, we have no idea how big he is. Let's revive him real quick. Looks like a whale. Just sitting there. I'll take him a little bit. Oh, kicks off. There he goes. That was sweet. Put up a great fight. Thought I had like a log the whole time. Let's hope we can get some more like that. That was cool. Oh, got one. I had one on the whole time. Right in the fall. Little guy, I think. Yep. Not quite as big as the other one, but you know what? That's awesome to be able to catch something right after you just caught something. Oh, check this out right here. Just took a blow from something. You see that scar he's got right there? Nice bass. Another one on the Senko. Reels right here. We're setting up for live bait. Cast it out. We already got one. Just set it up. There he is right there on the live bluegill. That was awesome. It's on.
I put it on the bin and I got it in my pocket.
Lines. I'll get him in the net. Alright, yeah, bring him over to this side. There he is. He's fighting hard. Look at him.
Not that hard. He's big.
Alright, keep. Yes, got him. There he is.
Can I hold him?
Awesome bass. Right back in there. I can't believe I didn't get that on camera. And right as we tossed back in, it just jumped and exploded on it.
Sorry, Cam.
It's fine. It just exploded on it. Here, keep tension on it, because it's a barbless hook. It's a barbless hook. We got him. That's a little bit bigger of one.
That's big.
Alright, here, let me get the hook. Alright, nice bass that my cousin got. Alright guys, this is going to be the final fish for the day, because it's getting dark. Just took our bobber under. It's been pretty fast action with the live bluegills. Just reeling in. Got him. Oh yeah. There he is.
Big, Cam. And it's powerful.
Oh yeah, it could be a big one.
I'm so getting this. What's the net? No, Chelsea, no, you're not.
He's digging in the weeds. You can get him with the net, yeah. Come on. Oh, it's a good one.
Is it a catfish?
No, it's a bass.
Oh, yeah. Grab it, Chelsea, grab it.
Hurry, get him, get him, get him, get him. Scoop him, scoop. Get him. Come on, you got him. Alright. There he is, in the net. That's awesome.
He's bleeding.
No, he's not. Oh, whoa, yeah. Wow.
I'm not gonna take a picture of this one. Scared the snot out of me. Oh, that's bigger than the ones I caught.
Ow. Man. Powerful. He swallowed it, but good thing we got a barbless hook, so I think we'll be able to get it out. There he is. Nice bass. Awesome way to end the video. Sweet.
Well, we're gonna go fishing tomorrow.
Yeah, on the live bluegill.